Well, here we are in the back, and we seem to light on the panel. Yay, I think we might have fixed it, but we'll find out here in a little bit. It did run last night, but only for part of the night. However, I do feel that this is the solution to the problem, as the fuse was not the problem. We'll find out in a minute. There we go. The generator just kicked back on. I will let you know in the morning. If I'm more hot and sweaty than I am right now, and pissed off, that means it didn't work. However, if I'm clean shaven or bathed, if it doesn't work, I'm fucking going to be hot and sweaty up in the bunk. Anyhow, come here, buddy. Come here. Got my little happy buddy here. And my little happy buddy. And the one who thinks he's my favorite. And I like him too. He's a climbing dog. Alright. Signing out from our dirty truck. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Stand by for part 3 in the morning. Should be there by noon. Yeah. This is relatively clean for my truck. And I do have OCD. There goes the generator went off, so obviously we failed. Well, no, I don't think so.